So you want to get paid online, but social media is designed to make that hard. And once you understand the system, getting paid becomes easier. You see, most creators work for free without realizing it. They post, they grind, they stay consistent, and still make nothing. Because what they're chasing is likes. What they're hoping for is views. But we all know what they want. Not likes, not views, but to get paid. Most creators never reach that point because they don't understand how these platforms actually measure value. They think the work they put in is what should come out. But algorithms don't see sweat. They only see behavior. And that's where everything starts falling apart. And reason number one is the reason most people never even get close. Reason number one, social media does not pay for hard work. This is the first wealth mode truth. Social media does not pay for effort. You can post every day. You can sacrifice sleep. You can learn editing. You can stay consistent for months and still make nothing. That's not because you're failing. It's because effort is invisible online. The algorithm does not see how long you worked, how serious you are, how much this matters to you. It only sees behavior. Did people stop? Did they stay? Did they come back? That's the currency. Two creators can post daily for a year. One grows, the other stays stuck. Not because one works harder, but because one earns attention and the other earns scrolls. Online attention is the paycheck before the paycheck. If you don't earn attention, you don't even get a chance to earn money. This is where most creators mentally break. They believe effort should equal reward. Well, that's true in jobs. It's not true online. And until you accept that, everything feels rigged. But even once you understand attention, most creators still don't get paid because attention alone isn't enough. Which brings us to reason number two. Reason number two, most content is designed to be ignored. You see, most content fails immediately, not slowly, not over time, but instantly, in the first 3 seconds. Not because the idea is bad, it's because the opening is weak. It starts safe, it starts polite, it starts slow. And viewers don't wait. They scroll fast, they're bored, they have infinite options. Their brain is scanning for something that earns the stop. Well, here's the wealth mode rule. If you don't earn attention immediately, you don't earn anything at all. The algorithm watches viewer behavior. If people swipe away quickly, your video stops getting shown. Not as punishment, but as data. The platform learns people don't stop for this. And once that label sticks, everything becomes harder. This is why good content still fails. Because good content that isn't watched, it might as well not exist. Creators blame the algorithm, but the algorithm is just measuring audience reaction. It doesn't care about how much potential your video has, only how people respond in real time. But let's say people do stop, they watch longer, they stay. Most creators still don't get paid. And this is where the real mistakes show up. Reason number three, people chase views instead of trust. Views look like success. They feel like momentum, but views don't pay. Trust pays. You've seen creators with big view counts, but no income and no leverage. Now that's not bad luck, that's structure. The platform isn't asking, did this video do numbers? It's asking, do people come back for this creator? Repeat viewers matter more than new ones. Why? Because money follows trust, and trust only comes from familiarity. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from creators they recognize, creators they've seen before, creators who are consistent, creators who don't switch lanes every week. Here's the mistake most people make. They chase virality, but virality without direction creates attention with no foundation. You get a spike, then silence, and then frustration. Nothing compounds. Now you see, wealth mode creators play a different game. They aim for predictability. When someone clicks, they already know what kind of value they're getting. That's how trust forms. That's how attention turns into belief. And belief is what eventually becomes money. Here's the part nobody tells you. 10,000 random views make less money than 100 loyal viewers who trust you. Because money doesn't follow numbers, money follows connection. But most creators never reach that stage because they never lock in the next piece. Now, if this is helping you understand why getting paid online feels harder than it should, please like this video. It tells the algorithm that this matters. And subscribe if you want more wealth mode breakdowns focused on money, systems, and leverage, not hype. Reason number 4, no clear lane equals no money. Now, if your content is about everything, the platform doesn't know who to send it to. You're talking about money today, motivation tomorrow, jokes next week, advice after that. Yeah, that feels creative, but it's confusing. And confusion kills growth. Here's the wealth mode rule. Clarity beats creativity every time. You should be able to explain your channel in one sentence, not a paragraph, not a brand story. One sentence. I help people understand money. I break down success without fluff. I show you how to rebuild after mistakes. When the platform understands you, distribution gets easier. When distribution gets easier, opportunity increases. Creators think they need variety, but platforms need clarity. Even the algorithm is asking, who is this for? If it can't answer, it stops pushing. And even with clarity, attention, and trust, most creators are still waiting on the wrong money. Which brings us to the final reason. Reason number 5, platform payouts are the slowest money online. Ad money feels official, but it's slow, it's inconsistent, it changes without warning, and you don't control it. Platforms decide the rate, the rules, the eligibility. That means your income is never stable. That's why creators sit around waiting. Once I get monetized, or once I hit this number. Now, that's backwards. Wealth mode creators don't build platforms, they build leverage. Platforms are traffic, not income. The platform brings the people. You build products, services, affiliates, skills, value. Here's the key shift. Platforms rent you attention. Ownership is what pays you. When you own the offer, you control the outcome. And here's the truth most people never hear. A small audience that trusts you will always beat a large one that doesn't. 10,000 views might pay you $8. One loyal follower might spend $20. You do the math. See, attention is free, trust is valuable, and ownership is wealth. And that's when income becomes predictable. That's when effort finally starts paying off. So in closing, getting paid online isn't luck, it's leverage. Attention first, trust second, money last. Most people fail not because they're incapable, it's because they never learn the rules of the game that they're playing every day. Now you know the rules, and once you play the right game, results stop feeling random. This is wealth mode.